Hey y'all, it's your favorite remodeling truth teller, Roger Smith. And today's show is called What Are the Latest Trends in Luxury Home Remodeling? All right, let's pull back the curtain on the dazzling world of luxury home remodeling, where every nook and cranny can sparkle with opulence and functionality, like a diamond-studded watch that's actually comfortable to wear. Whether you're renovating a penthouse or simply daydreaming, these trends in luxury home design are where elegance meets innovation. First up, sustainability is the new black. That's right. Eco-friendly materials are hotter than a cookout in July. Imagine reclaimed wood, bamboo flooring, and recycled metal fixtures bringing both style and virtue to your space. Incorporating these materials isn't just about saving polar bears, though bonus points for that. It's about casting your abode in design-forward environmental consciousness. Now, let's talk about open spaces. More than a trend, it's practically a revolution. These spaces invite light, laughter, and life to flow freely. Think minimal walls, but maximum light. I'm talking cathedral ceilings paired with oversized windows that welcome the sunshine like a favorite relative returning home. It's redefining ambiance, and once you experience it, you'll wonder how you ever settled for anything less. I see you over there ignoring contractor red flags. We need to talk. A smooth open space requires expertise, not just in demolition, but in artful engineering. Ensure your contractor has the creative vision and structural savvy to turn open into awe-inspiring. Tech-savvy homes are also all the rage. Smart home integration is now an expectation. From lighting that knows when to dim itself for movie night to appliances that take inventory and suggest grocery lists, luxury living embraces tomorrow's tech today. Invest in a smart hub or digital assistant that seamlessly orchestrates the everyday while adding modern charm. Finally, let's not forget wellness spaces. Dedicated retreats for relaxation and rejuvenation are becoming staples. Home spas, saunas, and indoor Zen gardens provide sanctuary from the stresses of life. They transform your home from mere living space to a holistic temple that nurtures both body and spirit. With these trends, you're not just beautifying your home, you're adding layers of comfort, future-proofing, and sustainability. This is luxury that whispers sophistication while amplifying functionality. Home sweet home with a dash of panache. This has been Roger Smith with the Phoenix Home Remodeling Show. Until next time, keep dreaming bigger, and remember, if your remodel feels stressful, it's not you, it's your contractor. Later, y'all.